Hi guys! Get dressed with me for a date. Itong skirt na to, yung gusto kong gamitin today. For the top, ito yung gusto kong suotin. This is the white one. Hindi same yung pagkaka-white nila, so I don't know if I like it. Pero let's try yung black one. This is the black one. Bakit parang mas gusto ko yung white? So walang hindi sila same ng color! I think I'll go with the black one. Mas okay na itong ganito kaysa sa hindi parehas ng shade ng white. Or mag-white ako. Ay, sige, mag-white na lang ako. Bahala na. So, nag-white na ako. So, for accessories, itong Cartier watch lang. Bigay ito sa akin ng nanay ko, kaya medyo maluwag pa siya. Then, ito yung bracelet ko. These are my rings. Here's my necklace. For shoes, I'll just wear my good old Air Force. For bag, I'll be using this one. Fit check. So, this is my full outfit. It's an all-white moment. Bye guys! I'll see you later!